This video covers important basic number skills which are useful for exam questions, and in this video I'll be working through some exam questions using the calculator. After the explanation, there will be an opportunity to pause the video so that you can have a go at them independently in your own time. Before we start, let's reset your calculator so that it works in exactly the same way as in this video. Firstly, turn your calculator on. If the menu isn't showing, press Menu and then 1 to choose Calculate. Now press Shift, 9, 3, equals, followed by AC to complete the reset. The first section of the video is about right angle triangles and calculating the length or angle in a right angle triangle. The first question tells us that ABC is a right angle triangle. Calculate the length of AB and give your answer to 2 decimal places. To answer this question, first we'll need to write down the trigonometric ratio from the question. Then we'll rearrange the ratio so that the unknown side AB is the subject. This gives you the required calculation. Enter 16 times sine 38. You'll notice that the calculator automatically puts the bracket, so we'll close the bracket and press equals. The answer here is 9.85 centimetres. Next, we have ABC is a right angle triangle. Work out the size of the angle ABC. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. Again, to start with, we'll write down the trigonometric ratio from the question. As the angle is inside the trig ratio, we will need to use inverse cos. This gives us the required calculation. Press Shift, cos for inverse cos, and then press the fraction button to enter 7 for the numerator, press the down cursor and enter 11 in the denominator. Now exit the fraction with the right cursor and then we can close the bracket. Press equals and the answer is 50.5 degrees. Finally, don't forget to round as that's what the question is asking. The next section is looking at general triangles and calculations with the sine rule and area. The question tells us, here is a triangle ABC. Work out the length of AB. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. You can use the sine rule to solve this problem. First we are going to find angle A. We'll write the sine rule, substituting the information that we have been given and then rearrange the equation to make AB the subject. Note that you do not need to calculate sine 120 at this stage. Now we have the required calculation. Press the fraction button and enter 23.8 times by sine 34 and close the bracket in the numerator. Scroll down and enter sine 120 and close the bracket in the denominator and then press equals. The answer is 15.4 centimetres. Our final question states, here is a triangle. Work out the area of a triangle and give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. We are going to use the formula for the area of the triangle. Write the formula, substituting the information you have from the question to give the required calculation. Press the fraction button, enter 1 in the numerator, scroll down and press 2 in the denominator. Scroll right to exit from the fraction. Now multiply by 11.2 and multiply again by 4.3. Then we can multiply by sine 118. Don't forget to close the bracket and press equals. And the answer is 21.3 centimetres squared. Again, remembering to round as was asked in the question. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use brackets. Enter the fraction 1/2. Exit from the fraction and then open the first bracket and enter 11.2 and remember to close the bracket. Then we'll enter the next bracket 4.3. We'll close the bracket and enter sine 118. Again, close the bracket and press equals. We get the same answer, 21.3 centimetres squared. Thanks for watching this video. Look out for more videos from Pearson EdXL on how to boost your maths skills.